Okay, folks, so that if we're in Google Meets and you don't want to be seen, I'm showing you what yours is going to look like. I believe you may even have an option before you get into the chat where it says not, or to go ahead and cast the screen or to enter without casting the screen. But what you can do once you're in is you go to this little guy right here and it says turn off camera. And so it turns off your camera. All I see is whatever um, your face thingy is. And you can even, let's say somebody's being loud at your house and I'm explaining something, you can even shut off the microphone. So you can see it says microphone on, microphone off. There, and the microphone's back on. Okay, so that is it. That's all I wanted to show you. A few of the features of what you can do. I'll turn the video back on here. You can also click on the chat function and you can type in here as we're talking, hello there, how are you? Okay, so let's say I'm in the middle of saying something and you have a thought that you want to write down, you can always write it in there and I can, address that after if it's a question or a comment or whatnot. Okay.